look. Holy moly. Slow down, stupid. Man on the radio, do you have somebody?
Iowa, United States, December 14, 2025. A powerful winter storm has turned major highways in Iowa into dangerous routes, causing multiple large-scale multi-vehicle crashes. In eastern Iowa, heavy snow, ice, and strong winds caused vehicles to lose control and cause a series of crashes in both directions on I-80 West Liberty. About 30 people were evaluated at the scene and several drivers were taken to the hospital.
Semi off the road and this truck going forward.
Right. Yeah, because they had an accident. They were all trying to stop.
State officials were forced to completely close portions of I-80 for hours, while emergency workers managed the crash safely. Emergency workers also performed several complex rescue operations to free people trapped in vehicles. Emergency crews and firefighters were dispatched to the scene after the first of the series of crashes in eastern Iowa, in the city of West Liberty. The weather in West Liberty had been severe since early morning, making the series of crashes almost unpredictable for residents. Extreme cold and weeks of snow have disrupted travel and travel plans for Iowans. A series of accidents have sent people to hospitals. One driver, a West Liberty resident, died in a head-on collision, and officials have blamed reduced visibility caused by the snow.
The plow stopped and he stopped. He's backing up. He turned his wheel.
Despite the official start of winter on December 12th, the start is not yet complete, but several cities have already received more than 5 inches of snow in recent months. Fort Myers led the state with more than 30 inches. Iowa officials have recorded more than 30 accidents in Des Moines alone in the past few hours. However, that was just the beginning, as other accidents quickly followed as the weather worsened. The continued snowfall and ice buildup worsened conditions on both eastbound and westbound lanes, causing secondary crashes and calls for more emergency services. Early in the morning, a thin, nearly invisible layer of ice on roads and streets caused cars and other vehicles to skid and spin out of control, and emergency calls to emergency services increased. As the winds and snow intensified, visibility for drivers was reduced, creating serious problems.
You could see a little grass. Well, winter in Iowa, we're having oh shit.
No, now he stopped.
A severe winter storm in Iowa has caused widespread crashes and highway closures. Dozens of people were injured, and emergency crews worked around the clock to rescue and clear roads. Officials are again urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel and stay safe. As the system moves east, road conditions remain hazardous and warnings are in place. Check local media and weather reports for the latest information and safety advisories.